Hello everyone, welcome back to JDCodebase. Today is day 11 of our LeetCode 75 study plan, and today problem is subsequence LeetCode number 392. In this problem, we are given two strings S and T. Return true if S is a subsequence of T or false otherwise. What is a subsequence? A subsequence is of a string is a new string that is formed from the original string by deleting some can be none of the character without disturbing the relative position of the remaining characters. And like example here is like AC is a subsequence of ABCDE, while AEC is not. Why? Because AC is the exact order that comes in this one. Like in the example number 1, if I see S is equal to ABC and T is equal to AHBGDC. If I take out from the T A, B and C, it is the same order, that is from like both have the same order, so I return the true. In example number 2, I have the S and T AXC, and in the T is the AHBGDC. Here X is not present in this T string, that's why it returns the false here. Now how to solve this? For this, our approach in this video is the two pointer approach, and one pointer is for the string S and one pointer for the string T. That means control the both the string parallelly, and we will move through string T and try to match character S by one. So let me start writing the code so you can understand it what I am saying in a simple manner. If I say let S index is equal to 0, let T index is equal to 0. See, I create the two pointers starting from the 0, and they both stack both the string S and T respectively. And now start a while loop. It runs till the T index is smaller than T dot length, and also S index always smaller than S dot length. And I just run the loop and it until still we finish the T string, else or we match all the character of the S string. Now we have to check if T of what happened? T index is equal to S index, means if both the characters, both the alphabets are equal, like A, B, or C. If both the alphabets are equal, then make it index plus plus, so we can see whether the next character is present or not. We can focus on the next character. Means if character match, move S index forward, else T index always plus plus, because we are traversing the T string, this one. Why? Because in the constant, as you see here, S dot length is the up to the 100, but as T dot length is a 10 raised to power 4, means S is a subsequence, T is the original string, so we must have to traverse the T string whole, or unless S string found means in the half time. So always move the T index because we are scanning it the T string. And after the complete scanning, after this complete while loop until the T index less than means reach the T dot length, or I just found the S string completely. So after that, we just have to check whether S index is the equal to S dot length or not. S dot length or not. If S index reach the end, that means we match all the character, so we have to return the true. Means if they are equal, it returns true. If they are not, then it returns false. Let me run this solution. Yes, it accepted. Let's try to submit the solution. and yes, it passed all the test cases and our solution is accepted by the LeetCode. So basically, let me give you a dry run for this. ABC, S is the ABC and T is equal to AHBGDC. So the both the strings are ABC and T is AHBGDC. So when I start the while loop, I see A is present, A is present. So I just make it as index plus plus. And in the second term, I get the H. H is not equal. So normally T index plus plus as means every time, every iteration T index plus plus. Then I get the B. B is both the both get the B. So B is equal to B. So S index plus plus. Now here I again get the G. G is never C. G is never not equal to C. So that's why I skip this if condition. For D again skip this condition, and for C yes they both are equal. So we get the means S index plus plus. Now after this complete loop means both the strings are completed here in this example. So now in last we just check whether S index is equal to S dot length or not. If all the character match, answer is true. Here time complexity here is the big of n because we go through string T once. Means in the worst case we just move complete T index, means T dot length. And space complexity here is the bigger one because we are not using any extra space, just the two constant variable S index and T index. So in this problem we learned the two pointer technique and how to compare two different efficiently means two string, how we just compare them and take out the result, and how to scan one string while matching the another also. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to JDCodebase. We are solving the LeetCode 75 day by day. So stay consistent and keep coding. See you in the next video.